Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to download bank statements from Wise. So first thing that you will do is simply open up your Wise app, and from here, once you have opened your Wise app, navigate to the currency account for which you want to get the bank statement. So once you have a tap on the currency account that you want to get the bank statement to, just simply tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply select get a statement from the menu. And after that, in the pop-up that appears, scroll down to select the date for your statement, and from there just simply select the end date as well. And guys, note that PDF statement must cover a range of less than a year. So if you need a statement for a longer period, just simply choose the CSV option instead. So guys, just simply select the type of statement you want, whether PDF or CSV, and choose your preferred language. And from there, you'll be able to tap on download to get your statement, and your bank statement will be downloaded and saved to your files. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.